Hi, it's Adam with Soliant Consulting, here to talk about a core feature of Soliant.cloud, our FileMaker server hosting platform. A hardened disaster recovery plan is at the top of the priority list for any FileMaker server deployment. And this video is all about SnapBack, which is our frontline feature for disaster recovery. SnapBack is included with all Soliant.cloud FileMaker hosted servers. In subsequent posts, we'll talk about two other options for disaster recovery, so check back for those videos as well. A snapback is a snapshot of your FileMaker server deployment as it stands at the time that the backup occurred. You can think of snapback as a replacement for a scheduled FileMaker server backup routine. Not only does a snapback contain the FileMaker files and container data for your solution, but it also contains any supporting elements of your deployment, such as the contents of the documents and web directories of FileMaker server. Snapbacks are core to our offering because it allows us to handle disaster recovery in multiple different types of situations. In the event that an issue should occur with your solution, we're able to use snapbacks to quickly roll back your deployment to a previous state according to your specification. Because of how we've architected our environments, we can use a snapback to quickly create a new volume and replace the existing data volume on the server, swapping it into place and getting you back up and running in a matter of minutes. There's no waiting for backup files to transfer, there's no consistency checks, and no hassle. That's the worst case scenario, but say someone simply deleted a record and you need to recover it. You can simply mount a snapback, download the record, and import it back into your solution. Or you could replace the entire database yourself, swapping it between the snapback and the live database directory. In all cases, you're covered under a well-architected model that reduces your data loss exposure and leverages AWS capabilities to provide enterprise-level support. SnapBack is designed to eliminate paused database time, as the process occurs in milliseconds. Each time a snapback runs, the files are paused, a snapshot of the database volume is taken, and the files are unpaused so fast you'll never see a beach ball or wait for the snapback to complete. This technique isn't new, but it is run with logic in place so that the snapshot can occur only if the locks are removed from the hosted files. Snapbacks are also cost optimized because the snapshots are hosted in Amazon S3, which is up to 75% cheaper than if your backups were stored on an EBS volume on the EC2 instance that FileMaker server runs on. The fact that backups are not stored on the server is also another plus, because who wants to store their backups in the same place that their files are hosted on anyway? It's just not a good idea. These backups are replicated to all availability zones in your assigned region, and AWS S3 is designed to provide 11 nines of durability. Each FileMaker server comes with SnapBack Premium, which runs every 15 minutes, bringing your recovery point objective to within the last 14 minutes. It provides 4 times the available point-in-time capacity over our standard model, which runs once an hour. SnapBack Premium is designed for heavily used business-critical systems, and you get 96 backups per day with a customizable retention schedule, which puts you in control of the number of recovery points that are available to you. Our default retention schedule outside of the current day is 7 daily, 4 weekly, and 3 monthly backups. Snapbacks can be found in the Soliant.cloud client portal. Once you log in, select Snapbacks from the navigation bar on the left. If you have more than one instance hosted with us, select the instance that you need a snapback for to view the backups that are available there according to your retention schedule. Select Mount to request a snapback to be mounted to your instance, which is then made available to you via secure FTP. You can reference our KB article, How to Access a Mounted Snapback, for more information. If you need to preserve a snapback indefinitely or for a period of time outside of the default retention schedule, you can simply select the preservation option on the snapback of your choice and turn preservation on there. I'd encourage you to check out our other videos about Soliant.cloud, especially our videos on our OptiFlex disaster recovery and private backup options. These add even more to your disaster recovery plan with Soliant.cloud, including additional offsite backup capabilities and a standby server available in the event of a regional disaster. Thanks for watching.